ये कॉन्टैक्ट शुरू किया था रेलवे का 84 में। इलाहाबाद डिवीज़न का ये पहला कॉन्टैक्ट था पीवे का। डीप स्क्रीनिंग का था, मात्र 26,800 रुपये का टेंडर था।
Railtech Infraventure has competency to undertake almost all the type of work involved in the railway track laying, track linking, and name anything which needs to be done on the railway track.
We ensure every day millions of travelers reach their destinations safely. We make that happen by efficiently new track construction and track renewal. With over 4 decades in operations, we take pride in our focus on excellence and efficiency. Over 1,500 dedicated employees of Railtech have achieved remarkable results.
And as we work with the cutting edge of the technology right now, that is flashbed welding of rails and renewals of points and crossings, which are the cutting edge of the technology. We use the best machines in the world.
Our strong core competences are ballasted track, ballastless track, flash butt welding, USFD testing of rail and welds, reconditioning of CMS crossing, civil works like bridges and earthwork, and fabrication like footover bridges. Services. We have laid and renewed more than 7,500 kilometers of tracks. Flash butt rail welding. Railtech is India's #1 rail welder by volume, and we own and operate world's most powerful welder heads. We have the capability to weld long panels of 260 meters, and we are the only company capable of doing closure welds after distressing, without the use of extra rail pullers. We are executing more than 100,000 FBW joints per year. Railtech owns 7 Trans-Limatic robotic welding machines. We are doing reconditioning of more than 1,000 CMS crossing in a year, with extended life up to 80 GMT. Railtech is honoured to receive prestigious approval from Ministry of Railways, RDSO, to conduct USFD testing of rail and welds. Innovation and research and development. Our innovations include multi-utility rail vehicles that are designed and patented with on and off track movement capability. We also build gantry that are mechanized portal designed and developed for speed and efficiency. We are proud of our state-of-the-art weld testing facility at Prayagraj, where every test is conducted as per RDSO guidelines. The main tests conducted are hardness, load, deflection, and a few other micro-macro tests. Railtech designs and manufactures world-class products to meet the needs of railways globally.
As concerned to Railtech, it is now one of the leading players in railways.
We have successfully completed the first leg of an ambitious Char Dham project with Indian Railways by laying railway tracks at the foothills of Himalayas.
100 kmph पे डिज़ाइन था ट्रैक, और जब CCRS ने उसको रन किया 120 kmph पे उन्होंने रन किया, उन्होंने वन शॉट में 100 kmph की हमें गो थ्रू दे दी. दे हैव गिवन अ बाइट टू लोकल न्यूज़ चैनल एंड अदर न्यूज़पेपर्स एज वेल कि आपको हिंदुस्तान में इससे बढ़िया रेलवे स्टेशन, इससे बढ़िया काम नहीं मिलेगा.
Railtech has also completed many prestigious and challenging projects across the world. In India, we have executed more than 7,500 km track laying and renewal. In Bangladesh, we have executed more than 32,000 FBW joints in year 2000. We have laid 670 km of tracks in Mozambique. In Ethiopia, we laid 120 km long tracks in 2008 to 2010. We strongly believe in the values of giving back to society and being socially responsible to provide a better future to the next generation. We run a charitable school under the Sumit Bansal Trust. Our relentless pursuit of excellence, decades of rich experience, and in-depth expertise has made RailTech a trustworthy industry leader. RailTech Infra Venture Private Limited, turning dreams into reality.